I had to think about why am I creating this workshop and what makes it important. And the first thing that I thought of was trying to kind of prove myself by talking about the kind of knowledge, the wisdom, the study, the research, all the things that I've done to get to this point. But I realized that's not why I'm creating the workshop. So I have to think about it a little bit deeper. And so far, I came to the concept that it's not often in life you figure out what it is that you can do, like what your purpose is, what your unique um, mission is. And for me, I was able to find it. And I want to share that with people because it's no fun keeping it to yourself. And I realize I've made actually many workshops before, and the outcome is normally very few people. But it is the fact that even if nobody shows up, I'd still be shouting my message from the top of a mountain. I'd let the pines be my audience and the wind my applause. And I would continue and always continue to follow my passion and share what I can with those who are willing to listen. And so I stand with my hand reaching towards the sky, grasping the air. And when I bring it back to me and open my palm, all I have, nothing but the ability to create my own destiny.